Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create your very own personal income and expenditure tracker web app. Don't worry, you don't need any prior coding or web development knowledge for this. You also won't need to spend any money because we are going to use Google's free resources and free AI platforms to get the job done. The web app we are building is completely responsive. This means it will seamlessly adapt to any device for easy use. It uses Google Sheets as its database, and the app is hosted entirely on Google's own servers. Unlike other apps you download from the Play Store, App Store, or general websites, this method ensures your data and your application are completely private and securely hosted right inside your own Google account. Plus, you can access it effortlessly from your phone, tablet, or laptop. It is also fully customizable to your specific requirements. You can choose to include only the features you actually need and design the interface exactly the way you like it. With most other financial apps on the market, you can only view your data inside their rigid interface. But with this method, because we save everything directly to Google Sheets, you always have full access to your raw dataset for any advanced analysis you want to do later. To build this application, we are going to use Google AI Studio, a powerful development platform that is remarkably accessible even to non-coders. Let's get started. First, type Google AI Studio into your browser and search for it. Click the link to open the platform. If you are not already logged into your Google account, click the Get Started button to log in. Next, click the Create New App option in the left sidebar. This will load a familiar chat interface similar to what you see in common AI chatbots. This is a Gemini-powered environment specifically built for prototyping and building applications. Please keep in mind that Google AI Studio updates its layout and menus frequently. By the time you watch this video, the interface might look slightly different, but you just need to locate this main chat prompt option to begin. Google AI Studio makes building apps incredibly easy with vibe coding, even if you are a complete beginner. You can start by typing just a single sentence about your idea, or you can use a detailed, well-organized prompt for much better results. It is a fast, fun way to turn your creative concepts into real applications. To build your tracker, you could just tell the AI, "Build me a personal income and expenditure tracker using Google Sheets as the database." While that will create an app, you are essentially leaving it up to the AI to guess what you really want. This makes the build unpredictable and can lead to messy features you did not ask for, or settings that are hard to change later. To get professional results, be specific instead of vague. Give the AI a clear plan by describing exactly what you need, like your data fields and layout. This sets the rules right from the start, and you can always build on it later. In order to follow up with this tutorial, I have already prepared a prompt that you can copy and paste directly into the AI tool. To get the prompt, simply click the link to the blog post in the description below. Scroll down the page until you find the prompt section, and you will be ready to go. In the first section of the prompt, we define the overall goal: building a personal income and expenditure tracking web app that utilizes Google Sheets as its database. The app connects to the spreadsheet using the REST API, and the underlying environment is tasked with automatically managing the active connection, permissions, and authentication behind the scenes. It is essential that this build focuses exclusively on the listed features, with a strict constraint to exclude any AI or Gemini features from the app itself. Next, we establish the database schema and tab structure. The application must interact with two specific tabs in the sheet. The Transactions tab is required to have 5 columns: date, type, category, amount, and description. The Categories tab must maintain a strict separation of data, using column A for income categories and column B for expense categories. This structure directly informs the dynamic drop-down logic, where the app must pull from column A to populate the income form and column B to populate the expense form, ensuring that these options update automatically whenever changes are made in the spreadsheet. Moving to the core features, the app must include summary cards that clearly display the total income, total expenses, and the remaining net balance. Below that, a recent activity section provides a clean table for viewing the latest transactions. The analysis section is a dedicated visual space featuring two specific tools: an expense pie chart that breaks down the current month's spending based on the expense list, and a trend line chart that compares income against expenses to visualize daily and monthly trends. Finally, we address the user interface, which must be professional and fully responsive. On mobile devices, the app should function with a sticky navigation bar at the bottom for smooth switching between the home, ad, analysis, and history views. The mobile landing page must prioritize the net balance, total income, and the expense pie chart, while placing large, easily accessible plus and minus buttons at the top of the screen for instant transaction logging. For desktop users, the interface shifts to a comprehensive dashboard grid, allowing the summary cards, both analysis charts, input forms, and transaction logs to appear simultaneously on a single screen without the need to switch between tabs. Once you have the prompt ready, copy the entire block of text and paste it directly into the chat interface within Google AI Studio. Click the Build button to start the process. The AI will then begin generating the necessary code for your project. During this phase, it is important to stay patient and watch for any required user actions or permission requests. At one point, you will be prompted to choose a visual style for your application from several design alternatives. Simply browse through the previews and click the Select Design button to choose the look that best matches your taste. Because we asked the AI to handle the database integration, a notification will eventually appear in the left sidebar requesting access to your spreadsheets. Click the button to enable Google Sheets integration, allowing the AI to continue constructing your tracker. As the build progresses, you can monitor the left sidebar to see a live list of the files being generated and the specific steps the platform is taking to assemble your application. When the development cycle is complete, Google AI Studio will present a finished preview of your tracker, typically starting with the initial login screen. Start by clicking the Sign In with Google button. On the following screen, the platform will offer you the choice to either generate a brand new spreadsheet or link an existing one by pasting its URL. Let's click the Create New Spreadsheet button. This action automatically creates a dedicated workbook within your Google Drive, establishing a direct link to the app for securely storing all your settings and financial data. Once that is set, the live dashboard preview will load. Take a moment to explore every component and ensure that the AI has successfully integrated all the specific features you requested during the prompt phase. You can also test how your application responds to different screen sizes. Simply use the device icon located at the top of the interface to switch between various preview modes. If you switch to the mobile view, you will notice the interface instantly transforms into a sleek, native-feeling mobile experience. It automatically generates that sticky bottom navigation bar we asked for, complete with intuitive icons for effortless switching between your different views. Now, let's log a few transactions to see the app in action. As you input data, you will see your tables, summary cards, and analysis charts refresh almost instantly. This high-speed performance is possible because we are using the Google Sheets API. If you have experimented with our older Google Apps script web app methods before, you will immediately notice how much faster and more responsive this new integration feels. While your data is being saved correctly, you might want a more direct way to view your raw dataset without hunting through Google Drive. To make things even more convenient, we can ask the AI to add a direct link to the spreadsheet right inside the dashboard interface. Just type a quick instruction like, Please provide a link to the connected Google Sheet within the dashboard so that users can easily access it. And let the AI update your build. After a brief wait, the AI will refresh the dashboard and ask you to sign in once more to review the latest updates. Simply click the Sign In with Google button again. You will see that a direct link to your Google Sheets workbook has been integrated right into the interface. This iterative approach allows you to continuously refine your application. You can ask the AI to add or remove features until the tool perfectly matches your vision. Let's click that link to inspect the underlying Google Sheets workbook. Following our prompt instructions, the AI automatically generated two specific tabs. The Transactions tab securely stores the data we previously logged, while the Categories tab maintains the organized list for both income and expense types. If we return to the dashboard and add a brand new expense category, the change is reflected instantly. This new category is written directly to the category column within your Google Sheet and becomes immediately available in the app's dynamic drop-down menu. In just a few minutes, you have built a professional-grade financial tracker at absolutely no cost. Your data remains entirely private. It is hosted securely within your own Google Drive rather than on third-party servers, ensuring that you alone maintain full control over your sensitive dataset. Right now, our application lives inside a protected development environment. To make it truly useful, we need to publish the project so you can access it via a public URL from any of your devices. To host your application, we will use Google Cloud Run. Previously, deploying to this platform required you to provide billing information upfront. Thanks to recent updates in Google AI Studio, you can now publish up to 2 web applications completely free of charge using the Google Cloud Starter tier without entering any payment details. When you are ready to go live, click the Publish button in the top right corner of the screen. In the next page, click the Get Started button to begin the deployment. When the setup asks if you want to share your application with others, click Skip and then select the Publish Your App button. Google AI Studio will then start deploying your project directly to Google Cloud Run. Once the deployment is complete, the platform will give you a unique URL for your live web app. Click the link or the Visit button to open it. If you look at the address bar, you will see that your application is now fully independent and separate from the AI Studio environment. This public link can be accessed from any device. Click the Sign In with Google button, followed by the Create New Spreadsheet button to finish the setup. You now have a professional financial tracker hosted securely on Google's own servers, linked directly to your account. Go ahead and log some test transactions to see that everything saves perfectly to your spreadsheet. Make sure to bookmark this URL so you can manage your finances effortlessly from anywhere. Thank you for watching.